In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a post on LinkedIn using the mobile app. Saving posts can be an incredibly handy feature, allowing you to keep track of content you find interesting or useful, whether it's an insightful article, a job listing, or even an inspiring post you may want to revisit later. Now let's get started and walk through this simple process together. First, ensure you have the LinkedIn mobile app installed on your device and open it up. If you haven't logged in yet, do so with your credentials to access your news feed. As you scroll through your feed, you might come across a post you want to save for later reference. When you find such a post, focus your attention on the 3 vertical dots situated at the top right corner of the post. These dots are your gateway to additional options tied to the post. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This action will reveal a small menu with several options. Now, among these options, you'll notice an option labeled Save. Tap that, and just like that, you've saved the post. It's a quick and efficient way to bookmark content without any hassle. Once you've saved a post, you might wonder how to access it later. It's simple. Start by tapping on your profile icon, which is conveniently located at the top left corner of your LinkedIn mobile app. Doing this will lead you to a menu that includes various sections related to your account. Now, among the sections, find and tap on Saved Posts. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated space where all of your saved content resides. As you browse through the Saved Posts section, you'll see the most recent post you saved at the top, followed by other posts you've saved in the past. This easy access ensures you can return to your valuable insights whenever you need them, keeping important information just a tap away. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to save posts on LinkedIn using your mobile device. Whether you're saving posts for personal development, career opportunities, or simply to keep up with industry trends, this feature promises to enhance your LinkedIn experience by keeping everything organized and accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to click the like button. For more helpful tips and guides, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about new uploads. Thank you for watching and happy saving on LinkedIn.